Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Jeffrey Lane Flake,
I, Jeffrey Lane Flake,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United
the
States
Constitution of the United States
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic,
foreign and domestic,
that I bear true faith and allegiance
that I bear true faith and allegiance
to the same,
that
I take this obligation freely
I take this obligation freely
without any mental reservation
without any mental reservation
or purpose of evasion,
or purpose of evasion,
and that I will well and faithfully discharge
and that I will well and faithfully discharge
the duties of the office
the duties of the office
upon which I'm about to enter.
upon which I am about to enter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. Ambassador. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the whole
you.
family.
Thank you so
Congratulations.
much.
Here, we can take a picture here.
Thank you. Colleen, come here. Amanda, these four if we could.
Oh, yeah, come on,
Yeah, just come
guys.
in.
Who's supposed to be in the picture? Not the press.
Let's do this.
There we go.
All right.
Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations. Travel well, travel safely.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Mr. President, on the SCOTUS ruling today, I'm wondering, the Biden administration promised a whole government response to SB 8. So after DOJ's lawsuit was defeated, what will the Biden administration do next?
Well, listen, the ruling today is an attempt to undo, in terms of what's happening in Texas, Mississippi, and around the country, is an attempt to undo 50 years of precedent. And as far as I'm concerned, and as far as our administration is concerned, a woman's right to make decisions about her own body is non-negotiable. And so we will continue to fight for the constitutional right of all women to make decisions about their own body without interference by some legislative group of people that think that they can replace their judgment with hers.